up there, 15-20 meter waves go up the lips. They don't break, but they go to Consulação. There, they break there, maybe, I think 7-8 meters. But the peaks that going up there, it's over 10-15 meters. Can be also 20 meters. When the set is coming, there is a reef up there. It's huge. With aerofoil you could surf the waves there up, but you need jet ski.
Ilyen 2-3 méterenként ilyen.
So this is live broadcasting. Live, okay, it's not live, but I'm cooking. I'm getting cooked under the sun from Portugal, November. Unbelievable, unbelievable. I want to surf the wave, but I'm afraid. Yes, yes, Mr. Gamba, I'm afraid. Not yet. I will make myself strong, then I can surf this wave. Woo! And out. And again. One wave after another. One, then watch inside the tube. Say hello to the fish. Woo! Went outside. Beautiful. Bon, 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 bon. Woo! Right away. Come on, everybody. You can see the beginners are there. They catch the wave and they learn to stand up. Woo! Inside and go out. Go out. I don't believe it. It's good, very good. Wow. And again, another peak. The peak is so strong there. Come on. Come on. Ah, the buggy. You catch every wave with the buggy. Nearly every wave. And fly away. Yes, and make a salto. Again, I see big waves coming up there, big waves, the lips behind, unbelievable. I don't know if you can see the lips. I need a strong objective. The lips there, unbelievable. Now big waves are coming here. A big set is coming in the middle of the bay. To these guys there in Supertubus, big waves are coming. Whoa, ho, ho. Look at the waves, look at it. Look what's coming, the lips. Woo. It's terrifying to be inside, and if you are not so sure, it's terrifying to see things like that come to you. The first wave, the second wave, the third wave, the fourth wave. Sometimes the first wave is the bigger and the second one is more big, the third one is more big. You know, you need to see how it's built, the swell. What for waves are coming now? The sun is exactly on my lens, so it's not so good. יש הברקה, וואו! I cannot see nothing. The sun is very strong. But what's going on there? Unbelievable.